Hello everyone, I'm welcome to today's video on Initiative Q. Today I just want to share with you guys how to use the Initiative Q Champions app. Okay, the reason why this app was created, is not to, sell to you Initiative Q, but rather to educate you and give you something or a tool that you can always check on, and you always get notification whenever there is a video out there on Initiative Q. All right, that is why I'm doing this presentation to you to explain how to use the app. Now I won't go straight into heading for Initiative Q platform, but I will go to the education side of the app. Okay, so as you can see, we have almost up to 10 videos on Initiative Q. So these are educational content that will enlighten you on how to use Initiative Q, or what Initiative Q is all about. Okay, it's a project, it's a long-term project, but definitely for you to understand what it's all about, you need to get educated about it, because without education you are going to fall for scammers for sure. All right, so my own job is to make sure that I provide educative content on Initiative Q for you guys, for your listening pleasure, and also for your educative pleasure. All right, so if you want to access your account on Initiative Q, all you simply need to do is click on Initiative Q, the first option in the app, and it will take you to Initiative Q platform. All right, anything you need from logging into your account, or accessing the timeline, or the FAQ, or the payment network, you can do that directly on the app, without necessarily going to Initiative Q website all the time. So as you can see, this is the home page, and you can see here that we have Initiative Q has more than 6 million people who have already joined Initiative Q, which is a lot. All right, which is a lot of people. All right, so because I know TBC will have about 3 point something million, they have achieved 6 million with their own strategy of registering for free and reserving some queues ahead of the payment network implementation or full development of the payment network. All right, so just going to close this, so you can access the videos. You can access articles on Initiative Q and why they were inspired to create Initiative Q, and what's their economic model, their the Q payment network, the timeline, FAQ about it, and also about Initiative Q. All right, so that's what this app is going to do for you. All you need to do is head over to Google Play Store and look for the app Initiative Q Champion, or you can click on the link below to download the app. So that's it for this video on Initiative Q Champions app. If you have further questions about Initiative Q, or want to know more, or want to sign up for free, all you have to do is comment in the comment section below. Comment interested in the comment section below, or give me a call or send me a message on WhatsApp, and I will handle it. I will get on your matter, and I will assist you and educate you and tell you why I believe in this project, same way I'm super passionate about TBC. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. It's a short one, but I hope my message is clear. So get the app, use the app at your own free will. You always get notification whenever there is a post, a video, a new update on educative content about Initiative Q. And also you can always, at your own free will, always go to the Initiative Q platform to see the latest information, or to see the current value of the reserved queue per person. The price of one queue in USD, or the future price. So guys, till I see you next time, take care, stay blessed, and bye for now.